friends, welcome back to my channel. Karina here, and if you're new to my channel, thanks for stopping by. I'm Karina, and this is a paper craft related channel as well as an organizational channel. So if you're interested in watching this type of videos, just click the subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much. In today's video, I follow a tutorial from Tamika, Scrapdaworld here in YouTube, on how to make a photo book or photo album. She is hosting something called ISSA Link Party in her blog, where she will be putting the challenges, and then we will make the challenge and post a photo of it in her blog. And at the end of the month, one lucky winner will win the cool prizes. So for the month of January, the challenge was to put together the photo book or photo album. So I am going to show you the photo book that I put together using scrapbook paper. I will flip my camera so you guys can see down below what I put together. So we are going to view this photo book that I put together using the Simple Stories kit called Kissing Booth. This is my kit. I purchased this kit at one of my local scrapbook stores called Scrapbook Superstation, and I have a Crafty Haul about it, so I am going to leave the link of the video in the description box below in case you're interested in watching those type of videos like Crafty Hauls. Okay, so I put together this photo book using scrapbook paper and embellishments from this kit. And one thing that I have not done yet is just to place the photos. This photo book is gonna go to a friend of mine, and because of privacy issues, I don't want to put her pictures and show it to everyone. So I'm going to show you the skeleton of this photo book. I wrapped the photo book with baker's twine. So it was very easy to put together. These are like almost 3 sort of pockets. So what I did was I used this kind of glittery color black pen and just scribble around and put some of the stickers from the kit and put Velcro here, very thick Velcro, more Velcro here, more Velcro here. So I'm gonna come closer so you guys can see how I decorated this. Put a doily, some of the ephemera pieces of the kit, some jammies that I bought at Hobby Lobby, and here we go. This is the first. Here we'll have the picture, and here I will have like a sort of a small journaling card, because these are pictures that I took with my friend, so I will be in those pictures. So she can remember me, of course. And then the second pocket, it's again, I use some of the ephemera pieces from the kit, some rhinestones like in the shape of a heart, and I don't have the photos yet or the journaling card yet. And then the third pocket, I use a doily, ephemera pieces, did like a cluster, and again I use the heart-shaped jammies. And here is this, so I'm gonna open everything up. You guys can see better, and let me just zoom these out. The kit is just so beautiful. It has a lot of flowers, a lot of prints, so I want to keep things simple since I'm going to be putting pictures here and then the journaling here, and it's going to look very pretty here. Between the spaces, or I would say the binding, I just put XOXO, use my gel black pen. I know it looks like almost like a child's, you know, drawing, but you know, that's the effect that I want to create in this photo album, just to make it not perfect, just to make it like it's being handmade, nicely decorated, and give that quirky touch of these scribbles. Almost they look like wood, or sort of. So that was the effect that I wanted to create. Then when I fold it, I use one of the papers, use the washi, and there we go, it closes up. And in here I use the same chipboard from the kit, and this is a glitter heart from the Dollar Tree. It's just so cute, and I didn't want to put like a binding or something, because I just love the effect of the baker's twine paper. I can just put it in here, kind of loose, and I know that she's going to like it. She always appreciates when I give her, you know, handmade stuff. So this is my Valentine's present to my friend. And again, this is a very fun and easy photo album to do. I will leave Tamika's Scrapdaworld link of her blog and her channel information in the description box below. So if you like this video, just don't forget to give the thumbs up, share this video with any of your friends and family, and if you haven't done so, click the subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching, my crafty friends, and see you in my next video. Bye.